You're watching How Leap. Let's see 5 iPhone settings you should turn off right now for better privacy, battery life, and performance. First, turn off significant locations. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services, then System Services. Tap significant locations and toggle it off. This stops tracking your frequent spots. Second, disable personalized ads. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Apple Advertising. Toggle off personalized ads. Third, turn off iPhone Analytics. In Privacy and Security, tap Analytics and Improvements and toggle off Share iPhone Analytics. Fourth, disable unnecessary app background refresh. Go to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh. Set it to Wi-Fi or off entirely to save battery. Fifth, review app location permissions. In Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Set apps you don't trust to never or while using the app. These changes reduce data collection and improve battery efficiency. Without harming core functionality, make these adjustments periodically to maintain control over your device and data. For more simple and essential iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.